The Global Lake Ecological Observation Network, GLEON, created the Lake Observer mobile app for citizen scientists to record lake and water quality observations. The North American Lake Management Society, NALMS, with support from the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, is using the GLEON Lake Observer mobile app for the Secchi Dip-In. The mobile application provides users in the volunteer lake monitoring community with an easy way to submit water quality data using their own smartphones and tablets. The app is available in both Android and iOS formats. Data captured with the app is automatically submitted to the GLEON database and will be submitted to EPA using the Water Quality Exchange data flow and made available by the Water Quality Portal. 3 video tutorials are available to help users get started with the app. This tutorial, the third of 3, will demonstrate how to submit additional water quality parameters such as pH and dissolved oxygen using the app. Please note that an internet connection is not needed to record measurements with the app. Any data collected while working offline will be stored locally on your mobile device. You can then submit this data once you're either back in range of cell service or on Wi-Fi. For this video, the Android version of the app will be used. The app works best on Android operating system 5.0 and higher and iOS 8.0 and higher. From the app's Create Entry screen, tap on the Water Quality option. This will bring you to the Water Quality screen. On this screen, a user must populate the environment and sampling depth field. The other fields can be filled in as needed. In this demonstration, we'll fill in temperature, pH, and dissolved oxygen. The environment field refers to the area where the sample was taken. The app provides 2 choices, near shore or open water. This field is required in order to submit data. The sampling depth field refers to the depth where the sample was taken. The app does allow users to submit data for multiple sampling depths. To submit data for multiple sampling depths, first fill out the screen for the first depth and click Submit. Then fill out the screen again for the second depth, submit the data, and so on. This field is required in order to submit data. The temperature field refers to the water temperature at the depth of the sample. Conductivity field can be used to enter a conductivity reading. For this example, we did not take a conductivity reading, so I'll leave this one blank. If you do enter a measurement, make sure to check the units you're using. For the pH field, do not enter data in the pH field unless it was obtained from a probe in the field. For the dissolved oxygen field, you can enter a DO reading. For the turbidity field, we did not take a turbidity reading, so I will leave this field blank. For this field, do not enter readings that were obtained from a turbidity tube. Chlorophyll. For this example, we did not take a chlorophyll reading, so I'll leave this field blank. On the data entry screens, you can confirm or change your location by tapping on the inverted teardrop on the far side of the menu bar. You can use this to review the location for the data you're entering, or to change the location before submitting your data. Once you've finished making your selections, you can submit the data. Click on the Upload arrow to submit data. If you have an internet connection, your data will be submitted directly to the online database. If you do not have an internet connection, when you submit data, the entry is stored in the app's internal database. Now I'll demonstrate how to use the in-app database to submit data collected offline. When you reestablish an internet connection, you can submit the stored entries. You can see your locally stored entries in the Unsubmitted Entries portion of the app. You can find this section either through the menu icon in the upper left of the screen or the pull-out drawer on the left side of the screen. For the Unsubmitted Entry screen, select the entries you want to submit by clicking in the box next to them, and then tap the Resubmit or Upload icon toward the right side of the top menu bar. The locational information was stored at the time you submitted to the local database, while you were still at your sampling location, so it'll be transmitted as if you were still there. If you navigate back to your home screen, and then back to the My Entries section, you should see your newly submitted entries in the list. Thank you for your interest in using the GLEON Lake Observer app. For more information on GLEON and the app, visit the Lake Observer website, which is lakeobserver.org. For more information about NALMS and the Secchi Dip-In, visit www.nalms.org.